bots. I'm even gonna join it right now to show you the exact truth moment. So right now, we have about like 8 people in the server, like 7 people, and do you see the chat? Do you see on how many players are after this game? I like how users. Who said that? Don't Hermit is not even on the server. Because we only have 5 actual players on the server. It was like, it was about 50 players. Isn't that truly insane? Do you see how many Roblox players are there? Wait. I feel like I'm supposed to say this. But that's insane, right? I have no idea how this developer made sure to create so many, I feel like, alt accounts of like a random player and actually add them in their game and make them text and chat. I've never thought about it. If I'm gonna try to text and chat the question of are there any bots here, I'm instantly getting teleported to go another server. So one second. Oh, yeah, guys, I was about to teleported to an actual career server with a 100 players in it. See? 100% real players. And as you guys figured it out, we were trying to actually find the fake bots and the bullets and everything. And just have to live with that. So make sure to click that like button if you actually can find them. And if you believe me. So, as I mentioned before from the guy's video, that I mentioned before, there's 2 types of players that just walk to the door and randomly die. Those are looking really actually scary. Maybe Zella might be a bot. Wait, she is a bot. Oh, she's an actual player. How am I supposed to find bots here? But I promise you guys that one bot is supposed to be in here. Oh, there is a guy named Samir. In fact, doesn't exist in the playlist. Wait! Samir! Where's him? He's right there. He is right there, guys. This is a famous player. Oh my gosh. I'm not delusional. The guy needs to go to the boat with him. Right, me and my Samir gang officially now going to the boat ride full of boats. Full of boats. Sorry, one of them is incredible. So, guys,